How to set up Amazon Prime Video profiles. Prime Video is included with your Amazon Prime membership, providing access to an extensive library of TV shows and films. You can also enjoy original content on your smart TV, phone, and streaming devices. Prime Video allows you to access personalized recommendations by adding separate user profiles in the app. This guide explains how to set up and manage your Prime Video profiles. Amazon Prime Video permits the creation of user profiles under a single account. Each profile receives different recommendations based on individual watch history and preferences, maintaining each person's viewing progress and watch list. A Prime Video account can support up to 6 user profiles. Having a profile simplifies tracking your favorite films and TV shows. Keeping your watch list helps organize the content you wish to watch. Additionally, it enables easy access to personalized recommendations on all devices connected to Prime Video. Here's the guide to locking Prime Video profile. As the primary account holder, you can set up an account PIN. This PIN is used to lock your profile, bypass restrictions on other profiles, and prevent the creation of new profiles. Once set up, the profile PIN will function across all devices. Sign into your Prime Video account from any browser. Now click on the profile icon. Select Manage Profiles. Choose a profile. Now click Edit Profile. Click Manage beside Account PIN and Locks. Create your account or profile lock PIN and select Continue. Now click on Save.